Are you struggling with a cardiac issue and finding no relief in your condition with your ongoing medication? Feeling low mood and depressed about your condition? And looking for something alternative that is safe and effective? Well, what if I told you that foods on your table can decide how your heart health would be? Yes, what you consume has an impact on your overall health, be it your heart, liver, kidney, or brain. However, when it comes to heart health, you should be extra cautious of what you consume. Certain food items can drastically improve your heart health and reduce the risk of heart diseases. So, if you want to know more about the heart healthy foods, watch this video without a single skip. Hello and a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Amisha. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel, where you can explore so much information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, mindfulness and holistic disease treatment. Well, let's first know why you should be very proactive for your heart health. Your heart is one of the most vital organs in your body. It's literally what keeps you alive. It carries out several vital functions in the body, such as pumping blood and delivering nutrients to different organs, removing waste and toxins, supporting brain functions, and maintaining blood pressure. However, cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death, as it records 20.5 million deaths worldwide. Well, heart disease has affected more than 500 million people globally. I know this number is shocking, but it's a fact. But no worries, today I will guide you on the food that helps prevent heart disease and improve heart health. So let's begin. The number one food for heart health is avocado. It is rich in vitamin B6, C, E, K, potassium and magnesium. It is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce the bad cholesterol LDL and raise good cholesterol HDL. It regulates the blood pressure and protects the arteries from oxidative damage, as it contains powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. No doubt, leafy greens are a great source of heart-friendly foods. They are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that keep your heart healthy. They help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage, as they contain antioxidants. They prevent hardening of the arteries due to vitamin K, and its high nitrates content help lower the blood pressure. You can consume spinach, coriander, kale, broccoli, lettuce and cabbage. Some studies indicate that people who eat more leafy greens have a lower risk of heart disease, because these green veggies help relax blood vessels, improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. The third food category is omega-3 fatty acid rich foods. Omega-3 fatty acids are good fats and help your heart to remain healthy. They reduce the level of triglycerides, prevent damage to the walls of blood vessels due to their anti-inflammatory effect, slightly decrease the blood pressure, regulate heart rhythm and reduce the risk of irregular heartbeat, or you can say it prevents arrhythmia. You can boost your omega-3 by including walnuts, flax seeds, basil seeds, chia seeds and hazelnuts. Well, the fourth is berries. Berries are a good source of B vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and polyphenols. Being full in potent antioxidants like anthocyanins, berries reduce inflammation and oxidative damage to arteries, leading to less plaque buildup in the arteries. They also help the blood pressure and blood cholesterol. You can consume berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries and raspberries. Okay, so last food item is oranges. Oranges have fibers called pectin, which is known for cholesterol lowering properties. They also have the right amount of potassium, which helps control blood pressure. Since they are rich in vitamin C, they act as a potent antioxidant, reduce inflammation and artery blockages. Well, I have shared a complete diet chart for heart disease, focusing on the crucial role of foods in managing the condition. While Diet plays a significant role in healing. It alone cannot be a complete treatment. The best approach would be to combine a heart-friendly diet with holistic treatment, which naturally treats the disease without causing side effects. Homeopathy can effectively treat heart issues and bring results in less time. Homeopathic medicines are light and white sugar globules dipped in the potentized alcohol-based medicine that directly dissolve in your blood and start acting on the disease. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of heart patients worldwide, and we are continuously working in the same line to bring holistic relief. We are a team of experienced doctors who prescribe a personalized and customized treatment after a proper case taking. If you or your loved one is struggling with any kind of cardiac issues, then no worries. You can call us on our number and talk to us. Begin your natural and holistic treatment today for a better heart health. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel